Okay, part 3 here, and I'm going to bring across my document manager here now, and there it is. So you can see that this was version 3, and if I click into this now, and because I've got some geometry in this, you can see now that I'm starting to, we can view this model in BIM 360. That's basically what that is. And I can pick out items and go into its properties, and you can see all those parameters that exist in around there. Okay, they're all now available to us. And I could do markups, fill style. Okay, and I can put a little note in beside that saying what's going on with the foundation and that type of stuff. So it's really powerful in terms of that. So if you remember, I was saying to you that when you publish a package, it goes out to the engineer can go over and you can raise half dozen queries or something like that, send them back to you and say, look, I want these queries sorted before I'm going to accept the package. So it's very flexible in terms of doing that too. You can see that there's no sheets here at the moment. And that is because back in my Revit here, when I publish settings, I didn't include any sheets. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up all views and sheets in the model, and I'll put in my A1 sheet there, save and close. Okay, and I need to go back and republish this back up. And then when that does publish up and is accepted within BIM 360 there, so here's this one, and publish latest. Yep, off you go, publish. And so I can close that and I can do a bit of work here. And if I go back to my cloud here now, so at some point now that's going to actually turn into version 4 and we'll have the sheet available to it as well there too. Okay. Let's make sure that that did that correctly. Okay, so it seems to be happening. No, I need to click onto it. Now it's done it. Okay. So let's go back into here. There it is. And it's going, so we got version 4 is popping up there. So if this pops up before the end of this video, I will show you that. So what we would do in terms of the sets here, I would definitely create maybe 2 or 3 options on sets. And you can have, as I said, a set for the client, a set for the engineers, a set for yourselves, whatever. But that is the connection. That is the connection between the what we've got here on our local copy of Revit, and then what we can actually view on the Revit cloud. Okay. Now, again, if you keep this up to date with new versions, there it is there now. So let me pop into that. So I've got my basic piece of geometry here, but I don't have my sheet. Okay. And I seem to have lost a window. Somewhere along the way too. So that's interesting. Something went on with the publishing here. Not that. I'll go back into publish settings. Yeah, so save and close. All right. And then publish up. Okay, I'll come back to you if there's a change on this, but you basically have the idea. That's how you go about doing this, okay?